Hello everyone, welcome to my Magnizent review, and in this Magnizent review I will discuss all about this Magnizent software, how it works and its all demo features, pricing, upgrades, my exclusive bonuses and how you can make money using this Magnizent software. So let's start the review. And this Magnizent software is going to launch at 10th October at 11 a.m. EST time by Venkatesh at Warrior Plus Network. So actually what is Magnizent software? So Magnizent is a very powerful artificial intelligence powered software that generates high converting sales scripts like sales page, copy, ad copy or email copy, video scripts or more in just 1 seconds using this awesome Magnizent software. And I will also provide you $5 discount coupon. When you use this coupon you will get $5 discount. I am showing you later. So the main question is how Magnizent software will help you to make money. Yes, this Magnizent software is really awesome, but you need to know how you can make money using this Magnizent software. And did you know that the average small or medium sized business spends between $200 to $10,000 per month for custom website content? Yes, it's right, because all business need to spend money for their content, because content is everything. Without content nothing exists, no traffic. So content is very important and must essential things for any business, any website. So well, now you can use this Magnizent software, the power of Magnizent software, the artificial intelligence powered this software. You can write copy for other businesses and charge them the same fee for doing so. I am showing you this how you can make money using this Magnizent software. Like, see, before this I am going to show you the features, some features of Magnizent software. You can create unique sales letters, scripts and content with the push of a button, and you can insert your niche and product name and get the perfect sales letter for it using the artificial intelligence powered technology. And it works for sales copy, upsell pages, video sales letter, emails, articles and more. And it includes template written by 7-figure copywriters. Okay, and the commercial rights lets you start your own copywriting business in a few seconds. Yes, you will have the commercial rights, and it works on PC, Mac and mobile. See, I have typed copywriting on Fiverr. See the gig here. I will copyright your Facebook ads to supercharge sales. I am opening. I will do professional copywriting for your business. I will do professional copywriting for your websites or print ad. See, $55, $175, $80, $65. See, 3 orders are in queue and 883 review. So how many times he has offered his services. And this is just basic price, and there are premium standard. This is very high in demand gigs. And you can also search copywriting email. Okay, copywriting email. See, I will write persuasive sales email copywriting for email marketing. See, $15. Email marketing for $75, $15, lots of under the copywriting email. And you can create this type of content in just seconds. You can create sales copy, upsell pages, video sales letter, emails, articles, everything, website content, everything. You can create unique content just using this Magnizent software. So this is very fascinating and awesome. And you will get the commercial rights, so you can start your own copywriting business, because you can use this Magnificent software to create like email ads, video sales letter, upsell pages, sales pages, any copywriting services in just second, and sell your copywriting services to Fiverr or Upwork or any freelancing platform, or you can start your own agency using this software. So this is very profitable. Or you can search sales based copywriter. See, cause you will also can produce sales based copywriting script. See, $45 I will write a powerful sales page that converts, and you can do that in just seconds. In just seconds you can create any sales page script in just seconds. See, $100 I will be your launch copywriter for sales page and landing page. See, $175 I will write sales copy for landing pages, sales pages and funnels. So this is very high demand in, and email copy, website content, everything you can do using this magnificent software. So this is very awesome. So this is the dashboard. I am going to show you the demo. This is the demo copy. In the actual copy you will get all the training and lots of more of functions. So this is the dashboard. You need to sign in after purchasing. So in here you will see automatic writing, new writing, your previous writing and preset. So here the new writing tab, just name of your writing like testing, and here you can see make money online, Facebook ads template, proversion, email swipe. There are lots of tag, and in your original version you will see lots of thing, and here there are lots of, see, the all are unique content from here you will see, and you can every time you click it will generate it unique, 100% unique, high converting article, email ads, everything, video sales letter, video script, everything. See, this is the article, and you can do things, just name it, email swipe. There are lots of template. See, there are lots of template, and you can using this. So basically it works under 3 steps. Just choose from over 300 templates for your copy. You may need sales copy or ad copy, video scripts or email copy and more. And the step 2 is just fill in your details here, like details, and just add your client's detail. Suppose you got some order from here from your client, just fill the client details and select your niche and add keywords and your product name and the content or a video script or sales copy or email ad, all will be in front of you. So this is just matter of seconds, and it all take this, and you also have the automation tools. This is very simple, don't need to overcomplicate it. So why you need Magnificent software? Let me start off by saying that content and copy provide the keys to success in marketing, and you should know that everything else comes second to content and copywriting, because everything depends on content and copywriting, right? Because without marketing nothing sells, it's true, and without content no one visit your website or visit your shop or store in offline or online. It's true. So how can you create huge amounts of copy and content for any product, any project or in any niche? And this is exactly what Magnificent software does. It creates 100% unique content at copy, sales letter, copywriting scripts in just seconds using the artificial intelligence power. And Magnificent creates unique, engaging and high converting sales page copy for you in just seconds, and it can put you at the forefront of content writing and creating and making you sought for after writer without you having to do any of the work yourself, cause this Magnificent software will do all the work for you with the help of artificial intelligence technology within seconds. And so you can use it for yourself or sell as a service to other people. As I have said that you can work on Fiverr, Upwork, Guru.com, Freelance.com or any other freelance site. You can sell your service as a service provider cause it has commercial rights to do so. Yes, literally just in a click of button get 100% unique sales content that you can sell or use on your own sites and products. Yes, you can also use sales script for your product under your niche, or you can sell it on the freelancing site as service provider. So this is very awesome, and when you will purchase through my special link, I have put the link on my description below, you will get my exclusive bonuses over $33,000. These are YouTube Velocity. This is a very awesome software. You can unlock, set and forget free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube. And this is Meep software. This is Shina software. This is also a software to get free buyer traffic in your chosen niche on autopilot. This is Genovia software. This is also a traffic software. This is very awesome. And this is Cleopatra software. I use it for myself to unlock free buyer traffic from LinkedIn. It's a software. It's an automation software for LinkedIn. The Golden Stash, Tweetex, also a software for getting buyer traffic from Twitter. And there are lots of bonuses. Actually, Nova, TikTok traffic software. This is very awesome. And there are lots of bonuses over $33,000 when you will purchase through my special link, which I have put in the link in the description. You will get all the bonuses automatically in your access page. There are lots of bonuses. I can't show you actually everything. So, and I will show you the discount coupon. See the discount coupon. This is the discount coupon Magnificent 5. When you will use this code, the coupon code Magnificent 5, you will get $5 off. When you try to purchase the Magnificent software, it will be $12 only. This is $17, it will be $12 when you try to purchase and use this coupon Magnificent 5. I will also put this coupon code in the description, so don't worry. So use this coupon code to purchase Magnificent software with just $12. We will get $5 off. So, and there are some upgrades, like the upgrade 1 is Pro version. With this Pro version you can create unlimited copies without any restriction. Okay. And the upgrade 2 is Fortune 500 Profit. You can grab their 500 best selling products. And the upgrade 3 is Done For You Setup. Here everything is done for you. And upgrade 4 is Enterprise. And upgrade 5 is Done For You Template, Done For You Articles, Done For You Your Swipes, and Done For You Sales Scripts. And upgrade 6 is as always the resell right. Okay, so this is the demo, and my final opinion about this Magnificent software. This is very awesome because you can create unlimited sales copy, email ad, Facebook ad, any website content or anything in just seconds using this Magnificent software. Or you can also sell your service like sales page copywriter, as a copywriter, email ad copywriter, Facebook ad copywriter, and you can provide your services on Fiverr, freelancer.com, upwork.com or any other freelance website. Or you can also act as an agency owner, or you can provide your copywriting service to lots of businesses. Or you can also use this as a local business to you can service your offer to your local businesses. So this is very charming, and Pro version is very recommended because with the Pro version you can create unlimited copies without any restriction. Pro version is always recommended for using any software. So you can profit from Magnizent's artificial intelligence copywriting for the rest of your life, and this is an introductory offer that's only available to Traction hackers and to people who want to transform their lives and make huge money quickly and easily. You can see it actually makes you money very easily with the help of this Magnizent software. You can easily provide your services, or you can use it or own to promote your products, website, SEO related things, and many things you can do using this software. And this offer won't be around for long, so grab your lifetime access to Magnizent and start creating great content and copy today. And I have put the link in my description below, and if you purchase through my link, you will get all of my bonuses automatically. And don't forget to use this coupon code to get $5 off when you purchase. So this is all about Magnizent review. I hope this Magnizent review will help you to make your purchase decision. And this is for today. See you soon.